My name is Ankur Puri, and I head up the wholesale network services business for NTT ICT in the ANZ region. You need to look at a service provider who has the global coverage, how they can expand into various regions, whether they have, like a carrier can be very good in Asia Pac, but they're not as good as in Europe or US, or some carriers could be very good in US, not good in Europe, or just that global coverage is a major sort of component of a network services provider when you're looking at expanding. It just gives you that operational standardization or optimization across the globe, because you're not dealing with multiple providers to provide your services in various regions. And it brings with it like your consistent user experience. You don't want to have user experience which is very different from a particular region to a different region. In addition to that, you should look at a reliable network, someone who can provide a high level of SLA, who can actually take care of the dealings with other service providers in various regions, for argument's sake. So it just gives a consistent SLA across the network, rather than you're trying to sort of marry up various SLAs from various service providers in different regions. Established service providers, you should look at someone who has that experience in that particular market. They've gone through the hard yards of going through the regulations in particular market, or tying up with carriers in that particular market to give that consistent user experience to their customers. And then you should also be looking at excellent customer support. How does this carrier support me? Whether they have a call center in a remote location and cannot speak a particular language, or do you have local language support? Are you speaking to an engineer directly, or are you speaking to a level 1 support, and how that sort of gives that customer experience, in the sense that if you're speaking to an engineer directly, he knows if there is an issue on your network. They can respond to you straight away, rather than you waiting for hours or days to get a response on what's going on in the network. So those are the considerations that need to be taken by a customer when they're looking at choosing a service provider. Whether your carrier provides you with value-added services, whether they are investing in their own networks to give you a better experience, or future services that could be made available, whether that improves your experience in the sense like you're looking at newer technologies, SDN, NFV, and all that sort of services, whether your carrier that you're choosing is ready to offer you those services when they become available, or whether they're available now and they can offer you those services. If you want more information on our network services, please visit our website or give us a call.